Welcome Blue Star students. Good morning to all. Today we are going to see some special parallelograms. What is the special of that? It is like a parallelogram, but some rules are there. First one is rhombus. A parallelogram with sides of equal length. It's a parallelogram, but all the sides are equal length, and then it is called rhombus. But in a parallelogram, we said that opposite sides are equal. But here, all the sides are equal length, and then it is called a rhombus. Okay. What are the properties of rhombus? All the properties of parallelogram same as properties of rhombus. Okay. That is parallelogram. Opposite sides are equal. Opposite angles are equal. Diagonals bisect each other. Some of the angle is supplementary in right? The same properties is for rhombus. Okay, next, diagonals of perpendicular to each other. So diagonal same தான், diagonals are perpendicular இருக்குது இதுல. ஓகேவா? அங்க வந்து diagonals bisect each other னு சொன்னோம் in a parallelogram. Additionally, here on diagonals are perpendicular to each other. Okay, this is the properties of rhombus. Okay, next one, rectangle. So what is a rectangle? A parallelogram with a right angle. So in the parallelogram, all the angles are right angle. It is called as rectangle. Okay. So in rectangle, all the angles are 90 degree. Okay. In a parallelogram, the angles are 90 degree. It is called as rectangle. So what are the properties of rectangle? All the properties of a parallelogram. So parallelogram same properties satisfied for rectangles. Then each of the angles is a right angle. So here in the rectangle definitions all the angles are right angle. So each angle is right angle. Okay, next, diagonals are equal. So diagonals number draw panamna, both diagonals are equal. So this is the properties of rectangle. These are the properties. Okay, next one, square. So a rectangle with the sides of equal length. So in a rectangle, opposite sides are equal. The same as parallelogram. Parallelogram also opposite sides are equal. Rectangle also opposite sides are equal. But here, what is the definition of square? A rectangle with all sides are equal length. So in the rectangle, all the sides equal that is called square. So what are the properties? All the properties of a parallelogram, rhombus and a rectangle. So parallelogram properties with rhombus property, then rectangle properties, properties of square. Okay. So this rhombus, rectangle, square and all like a parallelogram. Parallelogram some modification it is the separate name. Rhombus the rectangle then square. Okay. Now in exercise 3.4, state whether true or false. Okay, about rectangle, square and kite, rhombus, using that we are going to find the given statement is true or false. Okay, first one is all rectangles are square. Is it correct or not? All rectangle is square. No, because rectangles opposite sides only equal, but squares all the sides are equal. So it is false. Okay. Second one, all rhombuses are parallelogram. Yes, on the statement line all the rhombuses are satisfies the property of parallelogram. So it is true. Okay. Next, all squares are rhombuses. All squares are rhombuses and also rectangles. Yes. So square order property it satisfies rhombuses, rectangles and parallelograms. So that all squares are rhombuses rectangles. So it is true. Okay. Now all squares are not parallelogram. No. Statement all the squares are parallelogram. So it is false. Okay. All kites are rhombus. All the kites are rhombus. No. Sides here rhombuses all the sides are equal, but kites all the sides are not equal. You refer in your class work and the definitions write you see the definition. Okay, rhombuses all the sides are equal, but kites all the sides are not equal. So that all rhombuses are kites abdinrathu false. See, all kites are rhombuses. All kites are rhombuses. That is false. it is not. Okay, now see, all rhombuses are kites. All rhombuses, ella rhombuses kites nu sollama? Yes, true. But all kites are rhombuses என்றது it's a false statement, but all rhombuses are kites என்றது it's true. Okay, now all parallelograms are trapezium. All parallelograms are trapezium. Yes, parallelogram on the opposite sides are equal, so no, trapezium also opposite sides are equal, so it is true. Next, all squares are trapezium. All squares are trapezium சொல்லிருக்காங்க. Yes, because there is only one pair of parallel opposite sides in a square. Two pairs of opposite sides are parallel. Okay va? So that அப்ப அதை யூஸ் பண்ணோம் அப்படின்னீங்கன்னா it is வந்து true. Okay, next question number 2. Identify all the quadrilaterals. Identify all the quadrilaterals that have first subdivision 4 sides of equal length. 4 sides of equal length. Second, 4 right angles. So identify all the quadrilaterals. எல்லா quadrilateralsலையுமே 4 sides of equal length. எல்லா quadrilateral, all the quadrilaterals having all the sides are 4 sides are equal length அப்படின்னு கேட்குறாங்க. Next question, 4 right angles. எல்லா டயக்ராம்லேயுமே வந்து 4 right. Identify all the quadrilaterals. அந்த மாதிரி 4 sides equal length வரக்கூடிய quadrilateral எதுன்னு ஐடென்டிஃபை பண்ணணும். Then 4 right angles வர்ற quadrilateral, which quadrilateral and all comes 4 right angles அப்படின்றத ஐடென்டிஃபை பண்ணி you write the name of that அப்படின்றது தான் question. Okay, so think that. So 4 sides of equal length, எதுலலாம் நமக்கு 4 sides of equal length இருக்கும்? Say rhombus. See the definition. Rhombus சொன்னோம், all the sides are equal length. So it's a quadrilateral. Then where in a square? Square also all the sides are equal. So it is also the first question answer. 4 sides of equal length. Okay, what is that? You write the answer for A subdivision. The quadrilaterals that have 4 sides of equal length or what are that? Square and rhombus. Square and rhombus. Okay, now in the second subdivision, 4 right angles. So 4 right angles pathina in this one, square and rectangle. See, in rectangle all the 4 angles are 90 degree. All the angles are 90 degrees. So right angle potukanga. The same thing, square also 90 degree. All the angles are. So that square and rectangle are having all the angles are 90 degree. So in subdivision B, the quadrilaterals those have 4 right angles or square and rectangle. Okay, now next question is question number 3. Explain how a square is. Explain how a square. First subdivision, a quadrilateral. quadrilateral, parallelogram, third one a rhombus. Then a rectangle. Understand the question first. Explain how a square is. எப்படி ஒரு ஸ்கொயரை வந்து quadrilateral சொல்லலாம், parallelogram, then rhombus and rectangle நம்ம சொல்லலாம். Okay. So now answer is first, how a square is a quadrilateral. So what is the meaning of quadrilateral? If a figure having four sides, it is called quadrilateral. Square also having four sides. So right, a square is four-sided. So it is a quadrilateral. It is a quadrilateral. Then second one. Next, a square is a parallelogram சொல்றாங்க. What is the definition of parallelogram? Opposite sides are equal and diagonal bisect each other அப்படின்னு சொல்றாங்க. Here square has all the sides are equal, opposite sides are also equal. Okay, so that it is a parallelogram. Since a square has opposite sides parallel and diagonals bisect each other. So it is a parallelogram. It is a parallelogram. Okay. Now in the third part, a rhombus. How a square said rhombus? How it is possible? So in the parallelogram with all the four sides are equal in rhombus and square also. Rhombus laying all the four sides are equal. Square also all the four sides are equal. So square is a rhombus. Okay. Since square is a parallelogram with all four sides equal, so it is a rhombus. Okay. Now fourth subdivision. Since square is a parallelogram with each angle, rectangle பொறுத்த வரைக்கும் என்னது, both are, all the angles are in 90 degrees, so that it is a rectangle அப்படின்னு சொல்லலாம். Okay, with each angle at a right angle, so it is a rectangle. Okay, it is a rectangle. Now in the next question, number 4, name the quadrilaterals whose diagonals first subdivision bisect each other, second one are perpendicular bisector, of each other, third one are equal. Okay, so now say bisect each other, quadrilaterals, the diagonals bisect each other எதுலனா see already in the last part எதில் நம்ம வந்து சொல்லியிருந்தோம் அப்படின்னீங்கன்னா see in the that question is bisect each other, the diagonals bisect each other na in rhombus, rectangle, square எல்லாத்துலயுமே வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா diagonals bisect each other. Okay, in parallelogram the diagonals bisect each other, so that all the properties are in rhombus, rectangle and square satisfied ன்றனால so parallelogram, rhombus, rectangle and square are the diagrams, quadrilaterals that bisect each other அப்படின்றது வந்துரும். ஓகேவா? so parallelogram, in first part parallelogram, rhombus, rectangle, and square. Okay, in the second one, each perpendicular bisector of each other. Perpendicular bisector of each other அப்படின்றது rhombus and square ல வரும். ஏன்னா that only having all the sides are equal. Okay, so rhombus and square. So இதில் தான் வந்து perpendicular bisector of each other அதில் 90 degree angle வரும். Okay, then third question is are equal. Diagonals are equal. எதுனா square and rectangle. So in the square and rectangle only diagonals are equal. Square and rectangle. Okay. Now the next question is fifth one. Why? Explain why. Explain why a rectangle is a convex quadrilateral. So why a rectangle is a convex quadrilateral? Explain that. So we draw a rectangle first. It's a rectangle. So draw a diagonal. The diagonal number draw பண்ணும்போது joining the end points of a rectangle, it lies its interior. Okay va? So it is called a convex quadrilateral. Yeah, rectangle வந்து exactly convex னு சொல்றோம்னா இந்த diagonal வந்து interior-ஆ தான் இருக்குது. Okay va? So that it is called a convex quadrilateral. So right. When we draw a diagonals joining the endpoints of a rectangle, it lies in its interior. Okay va? In its interior. So it is a convex quadrilateral. So it is a convex quadrilateral. Okay. So that's all this exercise and this unit over. Now your homework part. Your homework is you do in your practice workbook. Okay, that is do page 28 and 29, worksheet number 22, 23, fill-ups in practice workbook. Okay, you complete the fill in the blanks only in your practice workbook. In the next class we will revise and you are going to write the test in this unit. Okay, thank you students.